Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting essentials and starting the first steps now. Install the TTS app or SDK, then confirm microphone and audio output permissions so audio plays reliably. Next, choose a voice profile and sample rate. Pick the closest accent for clarity. Once you have an API key or local model, place it where the app expects and run a quick connection test. If the test returns audio, you're ready to move into voice tuning and integration. Once the basic voice works, you customize how it speaks and integrate it into your workflow. Use SSML to set pauses, emphasis, and phonemes, tweak pitch and speaking rate to fit your listener. Make a pronunciation list for names and acronyms so outputs stay natural. Then connect through REST or WebSocket or embed a local engine. Ensure your code queues requests and retries on failure. Make sure to log audio latency and clip length to prevent truncation during playback. You complete the process by testing, deploying, and preparing for issues. Execute unit and user tests covering long passages, mixed languages, and special characters. Listen for natural rhythm and intelligibility. Deploy with monitoring and caching. Batch frequent lines to reduce cost and latency. Once live, watch CPU, memory, and request error rates so you can scale. If audio sounds distorted, the most common fix is matching sample rates and increasing buffer sizes. Try that before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.